Find me them cricket knives. Hey.
Oh, hi. Can I help you find anything?
We're gonna find them cricket knives.
Oh, yeah, CRKT. So, you're gonna go around this corner, go down that way, take a right at your first chance, and it's gonna be right there on your left.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Hi. Can I help you find something?
That fella over there said this is where I can find them cricket knives.
Oh, yes. Well, it's actually CRKT.
Cricket.
No.
Cricket.
No, it stands for Columbia River Knife and Tool.
Green box. Topo map. Cricket.
But no, it... Columbia River Knife and Tool. CRK.
Cricket!